Is your PC lagging like this? Don't worry because I got your back. In this video, I am going to show you 5 simple steps to boost performance of any PC. It doesn't matter if you are using Windows 7 or 10 because these settings will work in all OS. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, we have to create a restore point, so go to Start menu and search Create a Restore Point. Now click on Create button and name it whatever you want. Now we have to wait. As you can see that the restore point has been successfully created, now we will start tweaking our CC. First of all, go to Start menu and search Mrs. Config. Now go to Startup and disable all of the unnecessary startup apps. Click on Apply and now click on Exit without restart. In the second step, go to Start menu and search Advanced System Settings. Click on Performance tab. Now select Adjust for best performance. Click Apply. In the third step, we need a tool called Smart Game Booster. Don't worry, this software is completely free and easily available on Google. In this software, you can also benchmark PC games and you can also record your gaming videos. Click on Boost. As you can see that MAPC has been boosted and 200 MB RAM has been released. In the fourth step, go to Control Panel. Click on Power Options and select High Performance. Now in the fifth step, go to Start menu and search Programs and Features. Now uninstall all of the unnecessary programs that you don't need. So guys, that's all for today. If this video was even slightly helpful to you, then please hit the like button. Thanks for watching.